Hi there, here we have the 2015 Ford Focus. This is the 1.5 ZETEC S 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. Right, so starting off with the front, as you can see there, the front bumper, there is no scuffs and no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet, nice and clean, so there is no dents, no scratches, no chips. So everything as it should be. Alloys are nice and clean as well, so they are the 18-inch alloys, and as you can see they haven't been marked. Just to confirm, it is a one previous owner from new, and we've done a full service on the vehicle, so Rushmores have done a full service, and a new 12 months MOT will also be done at point of sale. Right, moving on to the back bumper now. There is no scuffs, no scratches. I'll also show you this bit here as well. This is quite important, only because usually there would be a lot of scratches on this sort of area on the bumper, usually when you're loading and unloading. So that is not the case with this car. It is nice and clean. There is the RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the car. And you do also have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here, or even over the phone, we'll give you more options. So let's have a look at the interior as well. So as you can see, front passenger door nice and clean. It does have the electric windows. Moving on to the dash, nice and clean. The screen there is no scratches. Dash, there is no marks. Steering wheel is nice and fresh, as well as the seats. So the seats are nice and clean as well. So the car has been fully validated by us. So as you can see there, it does have the privacy glass as well. So the back seats nice and clean as well, and it does also have the Isofix, so nice safety point there for the children. Let's have a look at the boot space. Right, so obviously being the Focus, you do have a nice boot space with the car as well, so have a look at that. Nice and right, so before we go on to the driver's side and all the controls, I wanted to show you the back seats once again. So as you can see, it does have the airbags as well, so it does have multiple airbags around the car. The seats are nice and clean. As you can see, it does have the red stitching all around the seats as well, so it does give it that nice finish on the car as well, so a nice sporty look. Right, okay, so driver's side door now. We have the front electric windows, as I mentioned earlier. Also the front electric door mirrors, you can adjust your door mirrors as well. So down here you have your lights. Let's have a look at the multifunctional steering wheel. So as you can see, it does have your buttons as well. Full leather. Right, so let's have a look at the screen. So let's start off with the radio. So let's go on to the entertainment. So as you can see, it does have the AM, FM, DAB, CD, USB, and then you have your Bluetooth audio as well. So your Bluetooth audio, you can connect your phone through the Bluetooth, and then you can play your music through Spotify, YouTube, you name it, it can be done. So let's go back home now, and let's go to connect phone. So on here you can connect your phone through the Bluetooth as well, so your hands free. So what happens is, once you connect your phone, if there is any phone calls, they will be answered on your steering wheel instead of you going on your phone as well. So just here you have your CD player, Moving on down here, we have the aircon, your USB input as well. And then obviously your trip computer. So inside the car it is nice and comfortable. Seats are comfortable, as I say, nice and clean inside as well. It is keyless entry, keyless go, sorry. So I will show you where the engine button is as well. So as you can see there, you have your engine start stop. So the key can be left in your pocket and you can start the car. Obviously the key has to be inside the car for you to start it. So it is keyless go. So as I mentioned earlier, obviously one previous owner, car is offered in excellent condition inside and out, as you saw there. We do also offer finance, so if finance is something you're looking for, then don't hesitate to give us a call, as we would be more than happy to help. If you wanted to come down and look at the car as well, or you have any questions on the car, then once again don't hesitate to give us a call or even email us, as we would be more than happy to assist you. Alright, thanks for watching.